Hi guys, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel. Those are new, hi, my name is Maggie. Thanks for checking out my channel. Today's video is a DIY blanket ladder. I know there are lots of DIY ladder videos out there, and with many varieties of ways and supplies, mostly Dollar Tree supplies, but this one I made doesn't cost more than $6. I already own all of the supplies, so I only pay for the 2" by 2" wood. These supplies are a great investment if you haven't already owned them. They're very affordable. Okay, so first things first is to get your supplies together and ready. Now I have a few options here as far as how you want to have your ladder colored. We're going to need sandpaper blocks or sandpapers, Gorilla Wood glue, hammer and nails, or a drill and a few screws, which is not pictured, wood stain, paint brushes, chalk paint, cloth, and a pair of gloves. Before we stain the wood, we first need to sand it down. The smoother the wood, the better the stain or the paint will look. I chose to stain mine with Early American. Make sure to wipe down all the dust from the sanding. If you decide to use the stain, be sure to stir the candy really well before applying, okay? I opt for the cloth. Brushes work just fine as well. Be sure to coat the plane thoroughly. Do 2 coats if you must. Let dry 10 minutes in between if you decide to go with 2 coats. Work with the grains of the wood, okay, for a smoother look. Don't forget the ends of the wood. After staining all the wood, let dry for at least 30 minutes to an hour. Once the paint or the stain is completely dry, now we can put it together. I had my shorter pieces 15" apart, or to your personal likings, okay? The most fun part after assembling is the decorating part, right? Decorate accordingly to season. This ladder is year-round use. I had such a blast making this blanket ladder, and it cost under $6. I hope you guys enjoy watching as I did making it. If you recreate this or any of my DIYs, I'd love to see them. Tag me on Instagram, okay? Don't miss out on future videos by simply click subscribe and click the bell to get notified when I upload new videos. I hope you have a great day. See you in my next video. Bye guys.